Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we learned how to make an Instagram group chat 2023. So guys, this is very simple process. So don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Instagram and tap on the chat. Tap on the book pen sign on right side and select the people you want to add Instagram group chat. And I will select my friends, you can see, and click the chat, and you can see Instagram group is ready to chatting. Guys, you can see this is very simple process, you can easily do it. I hope this video helpful for you and you like the video. Please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below. Bye bye, take care.